Welcome to Appgeeker channel. Today this video will show you how to fix black screen on iPhone and iPhone black screen of death. Sometimes, it's easy to bring it back to life with forcing a restart on the iPhone to reboot the black screen. And you can use this method if your phone is on but screen is black. Although the screen doesn't show anything and doesn't respond when you tap, slide or try other gestures on the black display. You can hear alerts, sounds, and vibrations, or the device chirps when you unmute it and connect it to power. We'll also go over other options if you're still getting a black screen after the force restart. So let's get started with why is iPhone screen going black. Usually, a black screen of death issue can happen from damage to the screen due to drop or impact, but a drained battery or software issues also inflicts the unavailable black screen on your iPhone. No matter how the black screen on iPhone occurred, we're now ready for the first solution of force restart to get back the device without losing data. Well, my phone has been already fixed, but think about that it shows black screen of death and it's not responding. Now, I'm going to press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is for iPhone 8, iPhone 10 and later models. If you need to force restart older iPhone to fix your black screen, check the steps in the description below. It's worth trying the force reboot multiple times as it will clear random software glitches effectively. In case this doesn't turn on your dead iPhone, what you need to next is plug your device to a functioning power source and wait for it to respond. Make sure let it charge for at least 20 minutes. If you see the Apple logo on the screen, you've solved it. Just set aside and charge it up to 100% battery. In case there's no response while charging, it's certain that you're facing black screen of death issue. The solution to this is keep your device connected to the power and repeat force restart process by using volume up, volume down and side buttons. If the black screen doesn't manage to boot up, carrying out an iOS reinstallation might do the trick. We'll use iOS system recovery software from Appgeeker. You can go to appgeeker.com to download it on your Windows PC or Mac. The smart application can fix more than 150 firmware problems for any iOS device without data loss, including the potential bugs that caused your iPhone to be stuck on black screen of death. So go ahead and start iOS system recovery tool. Click more tools from the sidebar on the left, and then choose iOS system recovery panel. The software will then display a list of system errors that it can rectify, scan through it and hit start button. Now grab your iPhone screen that went black and use a USB cable to connect it to your computer. If it cannot be recognized by the tool, you'll need to put it into recovery mode. Simply press volume up button and release, press volume down button and release, and the press and hold the side button until the connect to computer indicator shows on the screen. Your iPhone is now in recovery mode and connected to the program. Hit fix button. Next, choose stand mode here if you'd like to fix a black screen without erasing your iPhone data. Click confirm button. Move on, and you'll be presented firmware packages on the screen. Choose the latest version of iOS firmware and click download button. The software is now downloading the iOS to solve iPhone screen black issue. Once the download is completed, it will start repairing the whole device automatically without affecting any of your data. The process will take about 10 minutes. Good job! Your iPhone is now back up and running. Anything that results in a black or blank screen should be resolved. What if you're still left with the black screen of death and not turning on or charging? You may consider to perform a factory reset, but you'll lose all data on your iPhone. Be sure that you've backed up your device before the screen goes black and stops working, so if anything goes wrong, you'll still have your data with you. Alright, to factory reset an iPhone in a black screen, open iTunes or Finder on the computer. If you find that your device cannot connect, you need to enter recovery mode. Then, when you're given update or restore option, choose restore to return the device to its factory settings. So, guys, you're ready to use your iPhone. Thanks for watching the video. If you still have question about how to troubleshoot iPhone screen black but still works, or the black screen of death, drop it down in the comment below. Please do not forget to like and subscribe Appgeeker channel for more videos. Bye and see you next video.